what's up Introworld? My name is Hardo, and today I'm gonna explain to you what is this viral memes called TELOLET. So last night I tweeted this. Oh, and it got viral. So what is TELOLET? Is uncle, sir, or whatever it is. It's the driver. Like maybe you wanna call like madam. Madam, TELOLET, madam. Or like brother, bro, TELOLET, bro. Like bro, TELOLET, bro. Like that. You can change literally anything with names. You can do names too, like maybe let's do Selena. Selena, TELOLET, Selena. Like that. So Selena is driving the bus, maybe, I don't know. So what is TELOLET? TELOLET is the sound that the bus horn makes. Like this. This. And this. Why am I shouting? I don't even fucking know. I got 1,000 retweets, so what's up? Okay, moving on. How to do the TELOLET in real life. Step 1, find a paper or a cardboard or something that you can write on that is big, like maybe a billboard if you could. Maybe your dad works at a billboard company and you have a lot of billboard laying around. Just write TELOLET. Shit. Yo, what the fuck? Okay, so I tried to use my microphone, but then the app suddenly just... I'm like an idiot, you know, like just... What is... Fuck. Okay. Step 1 and step 2 is optional, but step 3 is a must. So you have to yell, TELOLET, TELOLET, like that, you know. If they do it, they turn the horn, you have to say, makasih or in English, thank you If they didn't do it, we booed them, because that's lame driver. We have to boot them. Get it out of Indonesia or some things. Just get it out. This is Indonesia, you have to fucking TELOLET us. And then moving on to the next part. How to do the TELOLET on social media. Step 1, find a celebrity or your friends or Trump, I don't know, something, accounts. Then go to their comment section and just start spamming. That's it. Step 3, you have to, if the bullies don't know, just keep spamming until they know, or like quote my tweet, my pinned tweet. No. Why do I say I don't know too much? I don't know. Step 2, spam on more accounts. Step 3, make them bullies confused. And then step 4, break the freaking internet. This is what Indonesians do. If they post something about horns, bus, or something, you have to say thank you. You say makasih or I don't know. If they didn't post something, there are 2 possibilities. 1, they are still confused. 2, just keep spamming, okay? Destroy the freaking internet. Destroy the freaking... Why is TELOLET funny? It's funny because we Indonesians are very, very receh. And what is receh? Receh is a low taste at comedy or humor. We laugh about something that is not funny. For example, TELOLET it's not funny, but we do it because we are receh. Receh is... It's confusing. Indonesians are very weird. And that's it. You're an expert at Indonesian meme TELOLET. By the way, follow my second Twitter account at Hardo. And just freaking retweet broke the internet. Make the bullies confused. There bullies out there, like DJ, like Zad, DJ Snake. DJ Snake is addicted to this, man. DJ Snake. But like for real, TELOLET is asking the driver to turn the horn. That's it. And then TELOLET. The meme is unbelievably good. I laughed so hard. At first, I did not laugh because I'm not receh. But then